Let's learn some sea animal names and throw these sea animal toys in the water pool. Lobster, lobster. Manatee, manatee. Great white shark, great white shark. Blue shark, blue shark. Stingray, lemon shark, lemon shark. Whale shark, whale shark. A narwhal, a narwhal. Starfish, a red starfish. A big great white shark. Look at the sharp teeth. Hammerhead shark, hammerhead shark. Octopus, octopus. Walrus, goblin shark, a goblin shark. A big blue whale, a blue whale. Clownfish, a clownfish. A sea turtle, sea turtle. A zebra shark, zebra shark. Sea snail, sea snail. A polar bear. Penguin, penguin. Manta ray. Seahorse, seahorse. Pufferfish, jellyfish. Crocodile, whale, whale. Whale shark, whale shark.